Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to be practicing more complicated calculations including negative numbers, powers, and parentheses. Let's take a look at this first problem. Negative 0.1 to the third power times 10 to the third power. Let's take this step by step. Let's first do negative 0.1 to the third power. We know that anything to the third power means that we multiply whatever's in the parentheses by itself 3 times. So basically, this portion of it is just negative 0.1 times negative 0.1 times negative 0.1. If we do those calculations, we see that the answer is going to be negative 0.001. That's how I did it. Was I first multiplied 0.1 by itself 3 times, and then I know that if I have 3 negative signs, 2 of them cancel out to become a plus, and then a plus and a minus means that the answer is going to be negative. So we have negative 0.001 times 10 to the third power is equal to 1000, because it's basically 10 times 10 times 10. So now we have this. When we multiply it, we get the answer to be negative, and we multiply this by 1000, so we can move the decimal point 1, 2, 3 steps. Our answer is negative 1. Now let's take a look at the next problem. Negative 5 over 28 times negative 0.7. Let's first convert negative 0.7 into fraction form. It's basically the same thing as 7 over 10. Now we can simplify. 7 becomes 1 and 28 becomes 4. 5 becomes 1, 10 becomes 2. When we finally multiply across, we get the answer to be 1 over 8. And since we have 2 negative signs, they cancel each other out and the answer is positive. So our answer just becomes 1/8. That concludes our practice with more complicated numbers, including negative numbers and powers. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.